Hello everyone, and welcome to DelftStack. If your Microsoft Store is refusing to open, stuck on the loading screen, or crashing immediately upon launch in Windows 11, it is usually caused by a corrupted cache or a glitched system component. I will show you exactly how to reset and reinstall the store right now. Let's get started. First, clearing the temporary cache often fixes launch issues without deleting any of your installed applications or account data. Press the Windows key plus R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. Type WSReset.exe into the text field and press Enter. A blank command prompt window will appear for a few seconds. Simply let it run and the Microsoft Store should automatically open once the cache is completely cleared. Next, if the store still refuses to launch, you can use the built-in Windows settings to repair its core files. Open your Windows settings, navigate to the System tab on the left, and click on System Components. Scroll down until you find Microsoft Store, click the three horizontal dots next to it, and select Advanced Options. Click the Repair button first, and if that does not fix the issue, click the Reset button just below it to clear all internal app data. Finally, if the app is completely broken, you can force Windows to cleanly re-register the store's installation files. Right-click your Windows Start button and select Terminal Admin or Windows PowerShell Admin. Paste the exact long command provided in the video description and press Enter. Allow the process to complete, ignore any minor red text warnings, and completely restart your computer to apply the fix. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.